Why buy common crypto when you can create your own without super programming and without special skills? Yes, it's not a joke. It's really possible. In this video, I will show you how to create and promote your own token. If you succeed, it could potentially make a huge amount of money. Like and subscribe. And here we go. Creating your own token is simpler than you might think, especially using the Ton network. Before we get into the how, let's understand a bit about the Ton blockchain. Designed for fast transactions and scalability, the Ton blockchain uses a three-tier system. First, there's the main blockchain, which handles important system data like the number of validators and active blockchains. Next are the working blockchains, which operate independently but remain in sync with the main blockchain. They can have different virtual machines, addresses, and transaction formats. Finally, there are the shard blockchains, which handle transactions for specific sets of addresses, ensuring efficiency and speed. These are full-fledged cryptocurrencies running on the Ton blockchain. Here's how you can create one. First, head over to mentor.d.org. This site will guide you through the process. But before you start, you will need a Ton wallet like Thinkify and at least 10 Ton in your balance to cover creation fees. You can easily buy Ton using a bank card or cryptocurrencies through CryptoBot. Once you have your Ton, you are ready to create your token. On mentor.d.org, fill out the required fields: name, ticker, number of decimal places, logo, quantity to be released, and any comments you want to add. Then, connect your wallet and confirm the creation. Let's break it down further. On mentor.d.org, you will see an easy-to-use interface for creating your digital asset. Enter the name of your token, its ticker symbol, the number of decimal places, your logo, and the quantity you want to issue. After filling in these details, connect your wallet to the site. This connection allows you to confirm the creation of your token by clicking the Deploy button. After a quick transaction confirmation in your wallet, your token will be created in just a few seconds. Choosing the right wallet is crucial. Thinkify is a popular choice. It's a non-custodial wallet, meaning you control your private keys and funds, ensuring high security and privacy. Available on iOS and Android, Thinkify is user-friendly, making it perfect even for beginners. Once your token is created, you can use it in various ways. Send tokens to friends, use them in your projects, or even check their availability on the Ton Explorer at tonscan.org. The Jetton tab will display your digital assets. Creating your own token on the Ton blockchain is not just easy, but also rewarding. It opens up numerous possibilities for your projects. You can create tokens for your project's internal economy, reward users, or integrate them into your business model. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. However, remember to keep security in mind. Use trusted wallets and follow best practices to keep your private keys safe. Never share them with third parties. Creating a token is just the beginning. You will need a strategy to promote and use your token. Spread the word on social media, forums, and other platforms. Attract users and partners to develop your project further. So why wait? Start creating your own token on the Ton blockchain today and unlock endless opportunities for your ideas and projects. By following these simple steps, you will be able to create and use your own digital asset successfully. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.